Every team building with generative media pays for the same asset twice. The same product shot, the same jingle, weeks apart, requested by different people. Reprise sits in front of a Genblaze pipeline and asks one question first. Did we already generate this? Those numbers come from an object-locked ledger in B2, not from a counter. Here is a prompt this library has already paid for. Reprise finds the exact match and serves the stored asset straight out of B2 behind a short-lived pre-signed URL. Nothing was generated, and the 4 cents is booked as a saving. You do not have to take our word for it. Every result opens a proof receipt. The Genblaze run, the manifest key and its canonical hash, the object key, the digest, and the retention in force. Every line is checkable in the bucket. Now a near duplicate. Crimson instead of red. Propped instead of leaning. 93% similar. But similarity between prompts measures how alike 2 prompts read, not how alike 2 images look. So the candidate is shown, not just scored. You decide by looking at it. Anything between 0.85 and 0.97 stops here. Accepting is a signed capability token that can be spent once, and only then does the saving count. And what happens when the human says no? Same kind of near duplicate, but this time we reject it. And Reprise pays. It generates through a provider we wrote ourselves, because every Imagen tier now refuses newly created API keys while still advertising itself as available. So it carries a fallback chain, and the manifest records the model that actually produced the bytes. The asset lands in B2, addressed by its own SHA2-6, so the next person who asks gets it free. The board moved because the ledger moved. Every decision is an object-locked record. A delete can hide one behind a delete marker, but it cannot destroy the version while retention holds. And the thresholds are measured, not asserted. 38 labeled pairs, 0 false auto reuse, published with the code.